Hi everyone, it's Coily Diaries back with another video. Today I'm here to review this Jamaican black castor oil strength and restore treatment mask. Now it's, from my understanding, supposed to help strengthen the hair and restore the hair, but also condition and hydrate the hair. So I'm really excited to see what it does. If you're new to my channel, be sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you don't miss out on 2 videos every single week. And to my returning subscribers, welcome. Let's get into this video. So one of the things I mentioned in the video where I talk about my hair breaking is that I'll do more protein treatments. And I've had this treatment in my, stash of products somewhere for a while, but I've just never gotten around to actually using it. From my understanding, this product is supposed to strengthen, restore, prevent breakage, but also encourage shine and also condition the hair. So I am hoping that it counts as a protein treatment, a mild protein treatment to be exact, but also a conditioner, like a deep conditioner. I mean, it's a mask, so I'm hoping that it does both of those things. As you can see, it's very thick, it's smooth to the touch. When I rub it between my fingers, it's very smooth. And yeah, I love me some thick products, so I'm hoping this works really well on my hair. Now, I don't know about you, but I love to steam my face as I do my treatments. Like Sunday is like a spa day for me, so I take the opportunity to take care of my skin and my hair at the same time. So if you see some steam, that's what it is. The smell of this product is not wow. But what I love is that it's not intense. So it's a very mild smell, which I really do appreciate. And as for the ingredients, it's got great ingredients such as glycerin, which is a humectant. Aloe as well is going to provide hydration, but also it's got hydrolyzed protein, so vegetable protein, but it also has hydrolyzed keratin, which, both of those are great proteins to add strength to your hair. I've done a video why hydrolyzed protein is the best protein to use on your hair and why I don't use eggs on my hair, even though they've got protein. And I'll put a link above to that video if you're interested in those details. So I started applying the treatment to my hair, and obviously I'm starting at my ends because they probably need it the most. And straight away I can tell that this product is very smooth on the hair. So it's very thick and it's very smooth on the hair. It's very soft and silky feeling, if you know what I mean, on the hair. Because of the thickness of the product, I find that spreading it through the hair, especially with my type of hair, very highly textured, it was a little bit challenging for me to spread it across the hair, but it's not as tricky as, say, my Manuka, honey mask that I use. You guys know I use that quite a bit. This one was a little bit easier to spread. It's an interesting feeling because it's almost like you can tell that the product has got slip, but because of the thickness of the product, it's a little bit tricky to spread across the hair. However, I've used products that are worse than this one when it comes to, spreading, across the hair. But given that it's a mask, you do expect that thickness, and you do expect that you require a bit of work to, ensure that it's spread evenly across the hair before going ahead to apply your plastic cap. Obviously, I'm concentrating on my ends, but I made sure not to forget the gaps in between the hair, guys. It's really easy to omit applying the product fully to the insides of the hair. As you can tell, my hair is reasonably thick, so I ensured that I made parts in the thicker parts of the hair to apply the product very, very well from the roots to the tips before moving to the next portion or the next part. Now, I don't want to speak too soon, but I actually think I prefer the feel of this product much better than my Manuka honey conditioning mask, I believe it's called. And that's simply because of, I don't know, I think the richness of this product is, yeah, you know, it is really catching my attention. It feels very luxurious on the hair, if you know what I mean. It almost reminds me of, you know, when we were kids and we used to play with clay. It's that silky, really smooth, creamy feeling that yeah, I'm loving with this product. Unfortunately, I think I've had to use more product because it's thick and I'm really struggling to spray it across my hair. So yeah, you see at the end that I've actually used about half of the jar, which is a lot. So I may have actually used too much, and I'm sort of questioning at this stage, would it help if I used, say, maybe water and spritz a little bit of water on the hair or on the product itself to allow it to spread a little bit better? That way, you know, use a little bit less product. I don't know. If you use this product, comment below, let me know how you use it. So far, I'm loving how it's making my hair feel, but we're going to have to wait until the end to see how my hair feels after I rinse it out. Another thing that I found quite interesting about this product is that the manufacturers claim that it promotes hair growth because it has peppermint oil, you know, which stimulates the scalp, you know, it reduces the appearance of breakage and also supports elasticity. And I was saying to myself, well, you know, we don't want to just reduce the appearance of breakage, we actually want to stop breakage. And we don't want to mask the real condition of our hair. We want something that encourages the health of our hair. So yeah, I found that a little bit interesting. And although I love peppermint, and I do believe that it does promote hair growth, and I've used it in the past, I still use it on my scalp, I really don't believe that, you know, conditioners should be put on the scalp. So I didn't use it on my scalp. Next thing I did was to apply my plastic cap and sit under a hooded dryer for about 30 minutes. The instructions say we can leave it up to an hour without heat. So because I'm using heat, I sort of left it for about, 30 minutes, 45 minutes before rinsing the hair out. And that's exactly what I did. So once I took the plastic cap off after the 30 minutes, I realized that my hair was so soft. Obviously the product is still on in this footage, but it was so soft, and something happened. It seemed, I don't know, it's like the product broke down a little bit, so I can see tiny little particles on the hair. So yeah, that was interesting to see, but overall the hair did feel very soft, and I was feeling really keen to rinse it out and see how it was feeling. And I'm glad to report that the hair felt conditioned, so to speak. It felt strong. I think that's the best way to describe it. And the definition of my hair was in there, which is a sign of hydration as well. My hair didn't feel dry or brittle or anything like that, but it definitely felt stronger. And I think I can see some added shine in there. You let me know. I think it comes with the definition and the clumping of the curls, etc. But I loved how my hair felt after using this mask, and I am keen to try it out maybe 1 or 2 more times. Obviously I have to finish the jar that I have and see whether I want to incorporate it into my regimen, but also maybe try using water during the application process to see if that helps me use less and still have the same effect. Look at that definition at the back, so good. Anywho, that's that, guys. You can see up here my curls are popping, my hair is ready to be conditioned. The only thing that I'm not happy about is that I used about half of the jar, so we'll try again next time and see if we can use less. By the way, I didn't need to deep condition my hair with a normal deep conditioner, which is a good sign. I just went ahead and moisturized my hair as usual straight after using this product. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on 2 videos every single week, and come along on this journey as I grow my hair to lovely lengths while keeping it healthy. Bye.